Begin by identifying the appropriate PCIe slot for your graphics card and noting how many slots it will occupy on the rear of the case. Next, remove the corresponding slot covers from the back of the case, then carefully align the GPU with the PCIe slot. Apply even pressure when inserting the card, and you will hear a click once it is fully seated. Finally, secure the GPU to the case using screws to prevent unnecessary strain on the slot and ensure the card remains firmly in place. Typically, the GPU is installed into the top PCIe slot, but we recommend consulting your motherboard manual for optimal performance.